Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the waffle for this beautiful Hannah Leatherman turn. Here we have the post itself, list of the participants, all paid. Alright. Here we have the disc itself. Okay. We're going to go ahead and start. Time right now, 8:50. 8:50. Go ahead and check the PayPal payments. There's the PayPal payments from everyone. Alright. Go to random.org. I'm going to refresh twice. Once. Twice. Okay. Check the green lock. Connection. Okay. It's all good. Okay. There are 12 tickets. Okay. Okay. Alright. Good luck, everyone. The winner is 9. 9 is the winner. Time right now, 8:50. Okay. We're going to see who won this. Winner was 9, I believe, right? 9. Yes, 9. Okay. Winner is Ryan Caudle. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and winner. Time right now, 8:51. 8:51. I'm gonna go ahead and end this now. Time right now, 8:51 still, 8:51. Thank you everyone for participating, and I'll put up another one soon. All right, thank you. Bye.